the ultimate guide to digital marketing. Digital marketing has the ability to reach a massive number of people at once, which is why it is an essential component of any company's marketing strategy. In this post, we will cover everything you need to know about digital marketing, including different types, such as social media, search engine optimization (SEO), and paid advertising. Read on to learn more. Types of digital marketing. There are several different types of digital marketing that you can use to grow your business. Some of the most popular are social media marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), email marketing, and paid advertising. Many of these strategies work together to help your business reach new customers and succeed. Social media marketing. Social media marketing, or SMM, is a form of digital advertising where companies promote their products and services through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This strategy is great for increasing brand awareness and reaching a customer base that is already interested in your company. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of optimizing your website so that it shows up higher in organic search results on Google. This strategy is cost-effective and accessible to businesses of all sizes. SEO marketing is great for growing your brand and generating leads through content such as blogs, videos, and web pages. Email marketing is one of the oldest digital marketing techniques around. With this strategy, you reach out to your existing customers and prospects with a sales pitch for your products or services. Email marketing helps you build a relationship with your customers and increase sales by following a few simple rules. Paid advertising is an investment in growing your business. This strategy allows you to show ads to prospective customers on websites like Facebook and Google. Paid advertising is a great way to reach a large audience at once. Many of the top digital marketing platforms also allow you to measure your results and optimize your spend. Why is digital marketing important? Digital marketing is important because it allows you to reach a wide audience and can be done with relatively little overhead. There are so many ways that you can advertise your business online, and choosing the right one for your business can have a huge impact on your success. Reach a wide audience. As we've discussed above, digital marketing allows you to reach a wide audience, and the best part is that the audience is largely self-selecting. You can advertise to people who have an interest in your products or services, which is a lot better than trying to reach people who have no relation to your brand. Low cost and easy scalability. One of the best things about digital marketing is that it's relatively inexpensive and easy to scale as your company grows. You can target a large audience at once, which allows you to reach more people with a low budget. Track and optimize your campaigns. One of the biggest challenges that entrepreneurs face is knowing if their marketing campaigns are actually working. Digital marketing allows you to track your campaigns and optimize your spend as you go, allowing you to get the most out of your budget. Customer focus. In the end, digital marketing is all about the customer. You want to make sure that they can easily find your products or services and are able to purchase them quickly and easily. With digital marketing, you can optimize your website and make sure that customers have a great experience. How much does digital marketing cost? The cost of digital marketing will vary based on the type of campaign that you are running and the platform that you are using. Generally, social media campaigns can cost $500 per month or less. Paid advertisements will cost between $50 and $5,000 per month, and search engine optimization can range from $500 to $10,000 per month. Of course, these figures are just averages, so you should make sure to do your own research to find out what the cost of digital marketing is for your business. Keep in mind that the cost of digital marketing is nothing compared to the value it can add to your business in terms of leads and sales. Therefore, you should make sure that you have enough money set aside to start an effective digital marketing campaign. What to know before starting your digital marketing campaign. Before you dive into your digital marketing campaign, you'll want to make sure that you have the basics down. First, you will want to make sure that your website is updated and optimized for both mobile devices and desktop computers. Next, you'll want to make sure that you have a strategy for attracting new leads and getting them to convert into paying customers. SEM, search engine marketing. Search engine marketing (SEM) refers to all marketing efforts that appear on Google's search engine results pages (SERPs). From organic search free to paid search paid advertisements, SEM encompasses a wide variety of internet marketing strategies that can be applied to almost any business model. Often confused with SEO, search engine optimization, SEM is a broader term that also includes paid advertising on social networks, paid advertising on virtual voice assistants, email marketing, and more. Search engine marketing has been around since the beginning of the internet, and it remains a strong marketing strategy in 2019. In fact, research has shown that SEM is one of the most cost-effective digital marketing strategies available today.